Are you looking for the top 5 action pens you'll wish you bought sooner? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 action pens you'll wish you bought sooner on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Cross ATX Refillable Fountain presented in a luxury gift box. ATX has a distinct profile that creates a uniquely modern and an ergonomic writing experience. Its wide girth is offset with elegantly tapered ends and is weighted symmetrically to create just the right feel when pen hits paper. Fountain pens. Experience the everyday act of writing with a fountain pen, where luxury meets the nostalgia. Cap posts on the barrel, offering a balanced look and feel while in use. Default ink is black. Reliable writing. High-quality ink formula offers consistently smooth laydown while the nib produces crisp lines for excellent visibility. Gift ready. The gift of choice for generations. Perfect for birthdays, graduations, promotions, anniversaries, and more. A cross-writing instrument offers both practicality and sentimental value. Proudly presented in a luxury gift box. Gift ready. The gift of choice for generations. Perfect for birthdays, graduations, promotions, anniversaries, and more. A cross-writing instrument offers both practicality and sentimental value. Proudly presented in a luxury gift box. Number 2. BASTION Luxury Carbon Fiber Bolt Action Pen. BASTION Luxury Carbon Fiber Bolt Action Pen delivers a premium writing experience with unmatched durability and style. Crafted from ultralight, high-strength carbon fiber and precision-machined stainless steel, this pen is built for professionals who demand reliability every day. The smooth bolt action mechanism offers satisfying one-handed operation, perfect for quick notes on the go, meetings, or travel. Its balanced weight distribution reduces hand fatigue, while a high-quality ballpoint cartridge ensures clean, consistent lines on any page. Designed to withstand rough handling, this pen resists scratches, corrosion, and wear, making an ideal companion for backpacks, office desks, or travel kits. The modern tactical aesthetic adds a touch of sophistication to any workspace. Refillable and built to last, the BASTION Carbon Fiber Bolt Action Pen is more than a writing tool. It's a statement piece crafted for those who value precision, quality, and long-term performance. Number 3. Vintage Bolt Action Pen. Bolt pen is crafted from high-quality brass and precision CNC manufacturing. Contour is meticulously polished to prevent cuts during carry and features a double-sided anti-roll design to prevent accidental rolling. The retractable pen core protection mechanism allows for one-key retraction, ensuring the pen tip stays undamaged and extending the pen core's lifespan. Heavy-duty steel pen is ergonomically designed, ensuring balanced weight distribution and specifically catering to the needs of individuals with hand tremors or Parkinson's disease. It remains comfortable even during prolonged use, significantly reducing hand fatigue. Paired with a G2 metal pen refill, it ensures smooth writing every time. EDC pen measures 5.31 inches in length, 0.47 inches in width, and weighs 0.17 pounds. It comes equipped with a pen clip for easy carrying. Its stylish exterior design makes this pen stand out in any setting, whether at a work meeting, business signing, or daily note-taking, making it your ideal choice. More than just a writing tool, this tactical bolt action pen is also a portable emergency item. Its unique bolt action design not only adds to the fun of operation, but also serves as a stress-relieving toy, helping you cope with tense moments. It cleverly integrates unlocking and locking functions, combining practicality with entertainment. Number 4. BASTION Luxury Slim Bolt Action Pen. The BASTION Luxury Slim Bolt Action Pen combines lightweight design with precision engineering, making it an ideal everyday carry for professionals, creators, and on-the-go writers. Crafted from high-grade aluminum, this pen offers a slim, easy-to-grip profile that feels exceptionally comfortable during long writing sessions. Its signature bolt action mechanism delivers smooth, effortless one-handed operation, perfect for quick notes, journaling, or fast-paced work environments. The fine-tip ballpoint cartridge ensures crisp, consistent lines, giving you the control needed for detailed writing and clean signatures. Despite its sleek size, the pen is incredibly durable, resisting dents, scratches, and daily wear. Lightweight enough for pockets, planners, and travel kits, it's an excellent choice for EDC enthusiasts who want performance without bulk. Refillable and built for long-term use, the BASTION Slim Bolt Action Pen pairs modern minimalism with dependable functionality. Whether at the office, in the field, or on the go, it stands out as a refined tool for anyone who appreciates quality craftsmanship. Number 5. Titanium Bolt Action Pen. Upgrade your everyday carry with the Mezikit Titanium Bolt Action Pen. Precision crafted from aerospace-grade titanium, this pen is built to last a lifetime while maintaining a sleek, professional look. The sandblasted matte black finish resists scratches and fingerprints, making it a reliable companion for work, travel, and daily use. The bolt action mechanism allows quick, one-hand operation with a smooth, tactile click. It's functional, durable, and fidget-friendly, perfect for professionals who value both efficiency and design. Featuring a refillable fine 0.5mm tip, the Mezikit pen delivers smooth, consistent ink flow for signatures, journaling, or note-taking. Compatible with Schmidt Easy Flow 9000 and Parker-style refills, it ensures your pen never runs dry. At just 5.25 inches and 2.08 ounces, this compact EDC pen fits comfortably in your pocket or clipped to a notebook. Each pen arrives in an elegant gift box, making it an excellent choice for business gifts, graduations, or personal upgrades.